Hey guys, we are Sergio and Daria. Welcome to our channel.
Today we are going to explain you one of our tutorials slowly with details. We will pay attention to technique and leading and following aspects.
First, we will show you our Sensual Bachata combination. Let's go!
Ando manejando por las calles que me besaste, oyendo las canciones que un día me dedicaste. Te diría que volvieras, pero eso no se pide. Mejor le pido a Dios que me...
First, Sergio will show combination for leaders from his back, and then we will change and I will show combination for followers from my back. So let's start.
First movement is rompe. Let's go! Turn your body to the right and make a step forward on bent leg. Then we move our weight on right leg, bent leg, and stride up. Second movement is circular. Here we go. Push your right hip to the right and go down on right leg. Move your hip to the left and stride up. Move your hip to the right and up on toes. Move your weight on right leg and go down. This is circle. One more time. Right hip to the right and down. Go to the left, up, to the right, up. Go to the right leg, to the left, up, and go to the right, up, and on right leg. The next movement is reverse wave. Let's go. We go down on right leg with your right hip. Move your hip to the left on left leg and stay your body above right leg. Stride up your leg and move your upper body to the left above left leg. One more time and go down to the left, stride your leg and move your upper body to the left above left leg. Yep. Next movement is head roll. Please try this movement with your frame. Let's go. First we make preparation. Tilt your upper body to the left. Move your upper body on back and we stand on two legs to the right, forward, to the left and back. Let's do it from other side. Hold your frame. Let's go preparation and tilt your upper body to the left. Move your upper body on back and we standing on two legs, upper body to the right, forward, to the left and back. And the last movement is cambre. Please hold your frame and standing on last position. Stride up your body, move your upper body forward and up, move your arms forward and down and return back your arms to let your follower stand up.
Now let's dance it one more time, faster with a count.
Here we go. Hold your frame, turn your body to the right and let's go. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and now Daria will show for followers from back.
Let's go. First movement, rompe. We twist our body to the right, make a step back on bent knee, then move our weight to the left leg, and then we straight our left leg and twist back. Second movement, circular. Preparation. We push our hip to the left, then go down, move our hip to the right, go up, then our left hip we move up and then go on left leg and then down. So one more time, hip to the left and down, move to the right, go up, hip to the left, and that's all. Third movement is reverse wave. So our hip to the left, we go down, move our hip to the right, our upper body stays above left leg, then we straighten our knees and put our upper body above right leg. One more time. We go down, move hip to the right and put our upper body above right leg. The next is cambre. And first, let's do it again with our frame. Make preparation. We tilt our body to the right, then move forward, to the left, back, to the right, and forward again. Let me show you from this side. Let's go one more time. Preparation before head roll. Go to the right, then forward, to the left, back, to the right, and forward. And the last is cambre. First, when we stand in this position, first goes our hips, and then girls open the chest and go down. Let's do it. Hips go forward, we open chest and go back, and then we move up. Now let's do it with count faster. You ready?
Yes.
And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And now let's dance together in couple with count.
Here we go. With basic step to the side. And 1, 2, and 3. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8,
And now from my side.
5, 6, 7, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6.
Very important thing to remember is that we have to dance all sensual elements with our body.
Look guys, it's not correct to lead your followers only with your arms. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. Let's do some exercise in couple. Please stand with connection.
We have to stand not in front of each other, but a little side.
Yep. And move your weight to the side, to the left, to the right, and left and right. Change level, go to down, go up, down and up. And twist your body to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left.
And now let's do it together with our frame.
Hold your arms in front of you, push your shoulder down. Let's together. Here are two options. Wear your left arm on back, followers, or on shoulder. Let's do head roll with your frame. Preparation. Move your upper body with your frame and don't move only your arms.
Ando manejando por las calles que me besaste, oyendo las canciones que un día me dedicaste. Te diría que volvieras, pero eso no se pide. Mejor le pido a Dios que me cuide, porque ando manejando por las calles que me besaste, oyendo las canciones que un día me dedicaste. Te diría que volvieras, pero eso no se pide. Le pido a Dios que me cuide de otra que se parezca a ti.
Even if you don't have a partner, you can practice all these sensual elements by yourself.
Improve and level up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope it's useful for you.
Your feedback is very important for us. Please leave comments if you like or not.
Share this video with your friends and see you next time.
Bye
Bye bye.